Hello and welcome to Technology Simplicity YouTube channel. My name is Jay Jung and today I'm going to share with you how to generate passive income by inject Google AdSense code into your WordPress website. I'm sure you've been heard a lot of people telling you that generate such a passive income by using a similar method. And today I'm going to share with you how to do it technically. Okay, if you wanted to know more about how to generate more traffic to your website and earn more passive income via Google AdSense, leave it in the comment box and I will produce another video to share with you. So let's focus more on how to connect Google AdSense to a WordPress website today. The simplest way. Let's go. So to do this, the very first thing, of course, you need Google account as well as your WordPress website. I presume you already have that. Okay, if you don't have, please scroll through my YouTube channel to find other videos that related on how to set up your WordPress website as well as the tips and tricks about Google AdSense or perhaps something like SEO. Okay, so the first thing is do Google search, look for Google AdSense, click this guy, you shall see this interface. If you haven't signed up the account for Google AdSense, even though you have Google account, click this guy called Get Started. We will go through some process in terms of submit more personal information, especially your tax and payment information, because you're going to generate money and they're going to pay you, right? Okay, if you had done it, just click Sign In. It will lead you to the Google AdSense dashboard. Okay. So you shall have a few buttons here and some elements on your dashboard. Okay, if it's your first time here, you shall see no data and no graph, nothing. Okay, so the very first thing is click this guy called Sites here. When it's come to this interface, all you need to do is just click Add Site. Okay, from here you need to add your domain name first. For assuming I have this website called 365feeds.com. Okay, when you insert your domain name here, you don't need to put HTTPS and so on. Okay, just the domain name. Save and continue. Okay, when you done it, it will actually show you this is the AdSense code you need. Okay, you need to insert this code to your website so that it will display the advertisement automatically. So what you need to do is, let me introduce you this guy called Sitekit by Google, which is available under WordPress plugin official directory. So what you need to do is install and activate this plugin in your website. Okay, if you are setting up your website through Jaguar, the best thing is you already have more than 200 plugins here. So all you need to do is just search for this guy called Sitekit and just activate. Okay, you don't need to install. If you are using your self-hosted WordPress website, just go and add new plugin and install the stuff. So you just activate this guy. The next thing you're going to do is you need to connect your Google Sitekit with your Google account. So you just follow this banner. Okay, click Start Setup. Okay, the very first thing they want to verify whether you are the site ownership or not. For me, I will just sign in with Google. Okay, choose the Google account that you wanted to use it, and of course it will actually telling you Sitekit want to access your Google account, and for me I will tick everything because I want to have more control at the back end. So the next thing is I will continue. Okay, cool. Now I need to verify, right? Okay, I need to upload a verification HTML file to the website. So you need to click Proceed. Once you click Proceed, it shall actually allows you to download the HTML file. Okay. Once you click Proceed, it will actually auto-detect whether you are the ownership or not. In this case, I already verified I'm the owner. Okay, it's so smart, right? Okay, the next thing is you need to allow to display it anytime. So I will click Allow. Okay, and the third part is they actually ask you whether you want to search, set up a search console. Search console means you will actually track how's your website being found through Google search. When we say Google search, including Google text search, okay, the normal search that you have, Google image search, Google video search, and so on. Okay, so I will add site here, and it's done, just like that. Okay, usually these steps, if you want to do it by yourself, is actually quite time consuming, because if you want to verify your ownership, you need to submit your HTML file to your web server or your web hosting. Okay, then for this part you need to go through some process, and for this part you need to set up as well. The best thing about this site kit is everything is automatically. Okay, once you're done, you just go to your dashboard. Okay, it will revert back to your WordPress dashboard already. So it's already here. Okay, to make sure yourself had full view of how your AdSense perform, make sure you disable your ad blocker if you have installed in your Chrome. For my case, I did install this guy, ad blocker, so I'm going to disable on this subdomain and refresh. Okay, cool. So up to this part, the next thing is I need to connect the service under this AdSense. I just click it, and I'm going to select the same Google account again, sign in. Okay, cool. It will ask you whether you trust Sidekick. Yes. Okay, continue. Okay, up to this part, it will allow you to switch which one to use. So you just continue. Ta-da. That's it. I'm sure you must be wondering how come it's so easy. Okay, thanks to Google effort to produce such a great plugin called Sidekick by Google. Okay, remember this guy? Sidekick by Google. And of course, thanks to WordPress as well to provide such a great ecosystem. Okay, remember, if up to this part, it doesn't show any advertisement yet, because you need to send a review to Google AdSense to double check whether your website is eligible to display advertisement or not. Okay, you need to come back here. Remember the source code here. Okay, you don't need to do anything because you already integrating in using a plugin. Okay, that's the simplest way, right? Remember I mentioned just now, that's I promised to you. And once you produce a good quality, put out a lot of good posts and so on, your website already done. Okay, make sure you have at least, from my very personal point of view, at least 10 articles there, so that Google will give you the best advertisement ever in returns. Okay, once you've done it, come back to this place, then only you click request review. If I'm not mistaken, it will spend about 1 to 3 days to revert back whether your website is approved to display Google Ads or not. If doesn't, please follow the instruction in the email. Sometimes it's because your layout is not presenting beautifully for your reader or visitor. Okay, just follow the instruction, and if you have any more questions, you are always welcome to put in the comment, and I will do my best to revert back to you. Okay, that's all for today, and this is how easy it is by using Sidekick to integrate Google AdSense into your WordPress website. So far, I already shared with you how to integrate Google AdSense to your WordPress website by using one of the simplest ways that I can find, which is install and activate the plugin called Sidekick by Google. Then you just follow all the on-screen instruction, and voila, your WordPress already done. And the next thing is you just need to request review, and it probably need to wait 1 to 3 days. Okay, it really depends on how good is your website content is. They will actually judge not just by technical perspective but content perspective. So the very big tips here is make sure you have a good quality content, and Google always don't like plagiarism, so do not copy any other article from other websites, because Google will know it. Once they found it, they will actually reject your application, or it might be some, blacklist your account and so on. So be careful with that. So that's all I'm going to share with you today. Okay, if you like the tutorial just now I shared with you, please click like and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and as well as put a ring in the YouTube channel so that you can get notification whenever I upload a new video and good tutorial like this. Again and again, thank you so much for watching. Stay home, stay safe, and goodbye.